In this video, we will see one more example to convert from machine instruction to assembly instruction. Given a machine instruction 8B00, the first step is to expand it as 16-bit combination. Now this 16-bit combination you need to compare with the 16-bit instruction format, where first most significant bits represents opcode, then D bit, then W bit, and then mode bit, then REG bit and RBM bit. Let us compare this with the given machine instruction. We can easily identify that the first 6 most significant bits represents an opcode which is 100010. Definitely we know it is a move instruction. After that, remaining part of the instruction can be got from remaining bits of this machine instruction. D bit is going to be 1, so we can easily conclude that data is going to the register. Data is going to the register. That means the next content after this move instruction is going to be a register. Data is going to the register. Then let us come to the W bit. W bit tells you whether the data which is going to the register is going to be a 16-bit or 8-bit. Since it is 1, definitely it is going to be 16-bit. Immediately, as usual, you have to identify which register is that from the REG bit, and that can be found out from the table. And in this table, the register, that is 16-bit register corresponding to 000 is AX register. Now, very well known that it's going to be a AX register, and just fix the AX register here. Now, remaining part, which is supposed to be a source, we need to identify whether this source is going to be a register or a memory. How do we come to know that? That is through this mode bit and this RBM bit. Mode bit and RBM bit will tell you whether this source is going to be a register or memory. If it is memory, what is the addressing mode used in that? Which can be very well got from this table. Now, how do you get it from this table? Now look at the mode 00. Where you have mode 00? Mode 00 is here. And look at the corresponding RBM bit. What is the RBM bit here? RBM bit is 000. This is 000. Now, which is that addressing mode? It's definitely a memory. And what is that addressing mode? It is BX plus SI. We got it. So we got it, BX plus SI, and directly fix that here, which is going to be your complete assembly instruction for the machine instruction given, which is 8B00. Hope all of you understood this. Next example will come in the next video.